All right, let's see what work we have to do today. Oh, this isn't too bad. Done. What? No!
Yep, that right there is Randy. He just ran an AI workload in Virginia and messed up. Let me explain.
Every single day, AI runs millions of workloads in the cloud, but most of those workloads run in blind. They don't track their carbon footprint, water and energy usage, or even the hidden costs that are seeping through. Hi, I'm Rian Thakrar.
And I'm Shrithing Gate.
We're from Lenape High School, Medford, New Jersey. As of 2026, AI annually utilizes 300 terawatt hours of electricity, emits 30 million metric tons of CO2, and incurs billions of dollars lost to operational costs, including grid stain, utility bills, and cloud service expenses.
With the explosive growth of AI, these numbers will only increase. Companies know this, yet have no idea how to combat these issues. By running AI workloads, companies lose money and overlook their sustainability goals.
Enter Flowlink. Flowlink is an all-in-one platform that tracks, monitors, and reduces the cost and environmental impact of AI workloads in real time. We turn every job into a dashboard that provides data analytics on CO2 emissions, water, energy-specific usage, ESG report generation, optimal green windows for system execution, predictive environmental modeling, sustainability recommendations, and an org sustainability score for each job run by users, all to measure ethical standards and environmental impact. In other words, Flowlink is the complete sustainability suite that transforms AI operations entirely.
A lot of today's industry tools are fragmented. Some track power, others track spending, some produce ESG reports, but they rarely connect impact to specific AI jobs or provide real-time optimization insights. On our as-is canvas strategy, competitors compete on basic monitoring and reporting, but score low on job-level transparency, AI-specific insights, and unified platforms. Flowlink differentiates itself from AI-powered sustainability and cost management solutions by focusing on AI infrastructure at the operational level.
But what about the market? AI infrastructure growth is accelerating, with an expected market reach of $1.7 to $5 trillion by 2030. Moreover, at Flowlink, our target market is growing AI machine learning startups that are aware of the exponential rising costs and the environmental degradation of the workloads, but are clueless about how to address the issue. As we continue to expand our operations, we can dive into the soon-to-be market of large data centers and AI service providers. Additionally, large universities that utilize AI in their everyday lives without impact tracking will begin to realize what we offer and go from refusing to adopting. As for the unexplored market of large AI enterprises, they are in dire need of reducing their costs and environmental contribution, especially since they have the largest impact.
Flowlink converts these non-customers by making sustainability simple, automated, and ROI-driven. Moreover, Flowlink's applicability increases every day as AI adoption grows, making it more than just a niche, but instead a blue ocean full of customers looking to make AI sustainable.
What makes Flowlink stand out is its unique value. At Flowlink, we eliminate AI inefficient workloads, raise awareness on sustainability and ESG goals, reduce environmental degradation such as CO2 emissions, water and energy usage, as well as data centers and AI service providers hitting costs, and create features like access to real-time environmental and financial data specific to each region, green window scheduling, job-level sustainability scores, predictive modeling, and AI optimization tips. On our to-be strategy canvas, Flowlink stands out by combining high insight plus high optimization plus low complexity, something competitors don't offer.
Flowlink is a fully developed software that can be found on our website, flow-link.com. Additionally, throughout our journey, we have raised a total of $3,500 from angel investors, gained advice and support from AI engineers on how to expand Flowlink's future, and have potential clients lined up taking the software to the next level.
AI has become a backbone in society and will continue to grow and expand. With Flowlink by its side, we not only contribute to its advancements, but also make it sustainable. This is Flowlink, where AI meets sustainability.